I'm Wes from Willmot Smash Repairs in Cairns. My wife and I, Helena, have owned the company for just over 10 years now. It was a family business, been in Cairns for 45 years, so we've got 38 people working for us these days. Repair around about, we're just starting to nudge the 100 cars a week consistently now.
The expectations that we have and the business has of our staff is that they want to be here. We have a work hard, play hard attitude throughout the whole team.
Culture's everything. We look after our people. We give them the best, best workshops, the best equipment they can possibly use, and the most amount of training we can possibly give them. The equipment we use and the products we use all high-end stuff. We always invest in high-performance products in our business, such as the Arrow Class range. Being sustainable these days in business is paramount. It's what we're about.
The transition to going to Arrow Class, I couldn't even notice the difference swapping over to it. It just lays down nice, it's quick, and we use it every day.
We choose to use 100 line in our business just with the efficiencies it's created. The cycle times through my spray booths today is crazy how much it's improved that.
Glasurit 100 line is beneficial to us as a team here because it speeds the process up dramatically. I use Refinity to just about do everything that we use. I use it for the colours for the Spectro, upload the Spectro. The digital colour matching side with Refinity speeds up the process completely.
Refinity's got a lot of features in there, which is exciting to use when we're training our apprentices. Even our tradespeople want to know something. It's literally at your fingertips. We've always wanted to be at the forefront of technology. I think if you're not embracing that now, you're going to go backwards real soon. So, again, we've always wanted the latest technology in our workshop, and I believe that it's got everything it takes.